Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're continuing with our theme of summer reading. So today I'm going to be making more African inspired DIY bookmarks, but I'm going to be featuring the Capital Designs pad paper. And what's really great about this paper, as you can see, is that it features African prints of wax print or knocker print in its paper. So I thought it would be really great to make bookmarks out of these prints because I thought it was really beautiful. Today's video will feature two different types of bookmarks. The first design will be the corner bookmark, and the second one will be a standard shape bookmark. For the corner style bookmark, I'm going to be taking a sheet of the paper that you see here, and I'm going to be cutting a 4" by 4" square, and I'm going to be folding the corners of the square. Now if you need to, feel free to rewind the video so you can see slowly how I'm making it. The making of the corner bookmark is pretty simple. I'm taking the square paper and I'm folding it in half to make it in shape of a triangle. And then I'm going to unfold it and fold it in the shape of a triangle on the other side, flattening it to make it as straight as possible. As I unfold that, I'm going to take the corner and fold it halfway in the center of the paper. And then I'm going to take the ends of the paper and fold it towards the center, almost making like a paper wing. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Now that I have all my paper pre-folded, I'm going to go ahead and construct the corner bookmark. So I'm going to take one of the corners and fold it into the center of the paper. And then I'm going to fold the paper again, almost folded it in half. And then I'm going to take the wings or sides of the paper and fold them over in a triangle shape and tuck them inside of the triangle folded in of the paper. And here you have it. Here is a corner paper bookmark. For style number 2, I'm just making regular rectangle shaped bookmarks, but I'm using this beautiful African inspired paper that I got from Michael's. And I'm going to be cutting the paper into 2" by 7" rectangle shapes. And I'm going to be using Tacky Glue to glue both sides of the paper together. And I mentioned before in my previous videos, I really like Tacky Glue, and I recommend this for the project. And use it sparingly, just use it gently. But what I really like about Tacky Glue is that it does not bleed through paper and fabric. So I'm going to be using Tacky Glue on one side of the paper, and then I'm going to be using the other half of the paper I cut on back of it, so it makes it look like it's a double-sided bookmark. I would also like to take the time to say thank you guys so much for your continued support and help growing my channel. And I'm so excited about reaching my first major threshold of 1,000 subscribers. So in celebration of this, I'm going to have my first giveaway. So I'm going to be giving away one of these DC designer paper pads. The rules to this giveaway are going to be really simple for the DC paper pad. I'm going to post a picture of it on my Instagram, and you have to not only follow me on Instagram, but underneath the picture, just put the word giveaway. One person will be selected at random, and I'm going to leave it up to their discretion if they want to have the audience, other audience members be notified about who the winner is. But yes, so follow me on Instagram and put the word giveaway underneath the picture. And you'll have up to 48 hours after this posting in order to participate. So here are samples of other bookmarks I made using this paper, and you can see I think they came out really beautifully. It's just very simple, but you can also embellish some of these bookmarks. So I'm going to show you what you can do with some embellishments. So here are just some of the supplies that I'm going to use or that I suggest using for embellishing or decorating your bookmark, just to make it more Afrocentric. Here I'm using some African findings that I've had in my stash, as well as some African jewelry findings. Also, I'm using some painted cowrie shells that I got from the beauty supply store. And if you follow me for a while, you know I like using alternative craft supplies, and I like using things from the beauty supply store. So I got these cowrie shells from there, and some beads that I also had in my stash. For the embellishment of these bookmarks, I'm using some embroidery floss that I got at Michael's, but you can pretty much get this at any fabric store in the embroidery section. And I'm going to use this in order to make tassels. So I'm going to use one of the extra bookmarks that I made because it's about 2 inches wide, and I'm just going to wrap the string around the extra bookmark. Then I'm going to tie string towards the top of the bookmark and an extra piece of string towards the a little above the center in order to make the puff of the tassel. Well, everyone, here you have it. Here is my DIY version of paper bookmarks using this DC Capital Designs African inspired paper. And I showed you how you can make it with a standard shape bookmark or with the corner triangle bookmark. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it inspired you to make something creative today. And also to let you know that this video does conclude the season 2. As summer approaches, it gets really hot in my she shed. So if it's 80 degrees outside, it feels like it's 120 in there, and I just cannot be in there. I've tried fans, but it just does not work. So that's the reason why I take breaks during the summer. I am considering over the summer starting a blog, so that way I can continue to stay creative and keep in contact, and hopefully it's something that you guys may be interested in following me in. But I will be available via social media on Instagram, so feel free to follow me there. Until then, thank you guys again for your support, and I will see you in the fall.